After that initial demonstration in 1934, the National Television Systems Committee, the NTSC, got together and decided that they needed to figure out how the country was going to deal with this new developing technology. And they, along with the FCC, came up with the idea that they should use an analog system as the standard for television transmission, and that happened in 1941. And in the 40s, they started assigning channels to communities all across the country. The only drawback was that there were only so many channels that they could distribute because of interference. And we'll talk more about that next.